Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TD Bank to external bank accounts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from TD Bank to an external bank account, begin by logging into your TD Bank online banking account. Navigate to the transfer option located in the main menu. Select transfer funds from the drop-down menu. In the transfer options, choose the account you wish to withdraw from. Next, select the external bank account as the destination for the transfer. If you haven't linked your external account yet, you will first need to do so. To link an external bank account, click on Add External Account. Enter the required details, including the bank's name, account number. Once all information is entered, submit the request. TD Bank may take a few days to verify this external account. After verification, return to the transfer section. Revisit the Transfer Funds option and select your original account as the source. Select the verified external bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details of the transfer carefully. Confirm the transaction to finalize the transfer process. You will receive a confirmation of the transaction on the screen. Keep an eye on both your TD Bank account and the external account for the transferred amount. This may take several business days to reflect in your external account. For any issues, contact TD Bank customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.